Hi, this is Joyce Farrell. Let's talk about data types. There are data types in every computer programming language because a data type defines what values can be stored in an item, how much memory is allocated for the item, and what kinds of operations can be performed on the item. In every programming language, there are at least two broad data types. Numeric data is numbers. Numeric data can hold digits. It optionally can hold a plus or minus sign in front of the number to indicate positive or negative. Perhaps there can be a decimal point and decimal places, but there's no other punctuation allowed in numeric data, no dollar signs, percent signs, or commas. The other broad type of data is string data. Just about anything can be contained in string data as long as it's enclosed in quotation marks. There can be letters, digits, punctuation, spaces, anything as long as it's within quotation marks. Let's look at the data down the left-hand column of this table and try to identify each piece of data as either numeric, or string, or neither, and illegal. For example, 14, that's numeric data. That's a number. 98.6 contains a decimal point. That's numeric data. Joe, in quotes, is valid string data. String data is often something like a first name, a last name, a city, or a state. -3, valid numeric data. How about 2000 with a comma in it? At first that looks like numeric data, but numeric data cannot have punctuation, such as a comma. Therefore, 2000 with a comma in it is illegal. How about 58 in quotes? 58 might look like numeric data, but if it's in quotes, it's a string. $100 seems to be numeric, but numeric data cannot have a dollar sign, so $100 is illegal. What do you think about $100 in quotes? Anything in quotes is a valid string. So, -25 in quotes, if you said string, you're absolutely right. And 44 Pine Lane in quotes, it has digits, it has spaces, it has letters. It is a valid string. Numeric data again, digits, maybe plus or minus, maybe decimal point, string in double quotes. Any digits that are in combination with other characters that are not inside quotes, those pieces of data are illegal. Why are there data types? A data type defines what values can be stored in an item. 7, 70, -7, 7.77 are all numeric. Book in quotes, 234 in quotes, Hello Sam in quotes, those are all strings. A data type tells you how much memory is allocated for the item. This differs between programming languages, but for example, in some languages, a number like 7 might be stored in 4 bytes of memory, but a string like book might be stored in 16 bytes of memory. A data type also tells you what kinds of operations are allowed with the data. If you put a plus sign between numeric items, that always creates an arithmetic expression that performs addition, and the value of 7 plus 2 is 9. If you place a plus between two strings, in many programming languages, that concatenates the strings. It means adds them end to end, and the result of book plus keeper is bookkeeper. How about the string 7 plus the string 2? They're strings, so they're concatenated, and the result is the string 7-2. In every programming language, two numeric values can be subtracted. 7 minus 2, that expression has the value 5. But in most programming languages, book minus keeper, minus is not defined for string values, and that's illegal and will cause an error in your program. That's a summary of data types. Thanks for watching.